What are you doing? Justin.
It's fucking hairspray.
It is?
Yeah.
Is that why it smells
Yeah,
like shit?
that's exactly what it smells like shit.
Put that away.
Is that what I should do? Oh, is that what I should do?
No, Josh, really do it.
Oh, is that what I should do?
Yeah.
Why?
What are you laughing? Stop! What's going on?
Hey, good job, by the way. I wish people could see these spots you left on here.
Those aren't from me.
Lauren,
Those really aren't from
you're
me.
good.
They're not from me.
Lauren, you have some good spots on here.
Those
Some
are
good
not
drool
from
spots.
me.
Oh my god, Lauren, I was watching you drool like this.
Oh my god, what time is it?
1:30 or something.
Doug, call him. Josh, why are you doing that? Ew, this pillow. Oh my god, what's in my hair?
Hairspray.
Oh my god, it's sick. Turf, fuck you.
It's just hairspray.
Stop, I don't want that.
It's just hairspray.
No.
Look at your hair. Oh my god.
I'm telling your mom. Stop. This isn't funny. I don't feel you're being such a dick. Fuck you, you piece of shit.
Fuck you, piece of shit.
Josh, tell him to stop. No.
Hey,
What?
you're already awake. You said wake. You said wake me up. Wake me up. You said wake me up after you guys are done playing Wii.
I
And
don't feel good.
We
today.
not only did we get done playing Wii, we ate chicken strips.
You did?
Yep.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did. Look, what's this for? Lauren, what would this be for?
Josh, get him away.
Lauren, what would this be for?
Get him away. Fucking stop, you fucking. Josh.
Lauren, why would we have the A1 sauce?
I am seriously gonna fucking kill you. I'm seriously gonna beat the fuck out of you. Fucking stop. Stop. Okay. Fuck you, dude. My hair is soaking wet of hairspray.